What secrets do living lights keep in the dark?
Lyra mixes luciferin and luciferase, the chemistry of living light.
Touch awakens plankton. Mechanical shock becomes shimmering defense.
Some crustaceans paint the sea with timed chemical flares.
Proteins that glow became tools, lighting up the hidden biology. A chorus of living light, timed, tuned, and breathtaking.
In the quiet afterglow, wonder lingers longer than light.
Follow for more living light experiments.